Shalom, brothers and sisters, and welcome back to my channel, Be Like Christ. I am Brian, and today we're diving into meal planning for weight loss on an animal-based diet. So, is your mom so fat she's on both sides of the family? Well, she might be interested in this approach. Alright, so whether you are into you're new to this way of eating or looking to optimize your current approach, I'll share some strategies that to help you plan effective, satisfying meals that support your weight loss goals. So let's get started. First, let's quickly recap the animal-based diet entails. This approach focuses on consuming primarily animal-based products, including meat, beef, pork, lamb, or fish or seafood, eggs, some dairy, raw is best, and limited fruits and honey. So while this might sound restrictive, this diet can be quite diverse and nutrient dense. When done correctly, weight loss principles on the animal-based diet. So when it comes to weight loss on an animal-based diet, several factors come into play. Protein, satiety, high protein meal can increase feelings of fullness, potential reduction overall calorie intake, hormonal balance. Meat-based diet may help regulate hormones that influence hunger and metabolism. Elimination of processed food. By focusing on whole animal foods, you naturally can eliminate many high-calorie processed items. Ketosis. Many animal-based diet eaters enter a state of ketosis, which can aid in fat burning. Alright, remember, while an animal-based diet can support weight loss, the fundamental principle of calorie deficit still applies. Meal planning strategies. Number one, calculate your calorie needs. Use an online calculator to estimate your daily requirements for weight loss. Prioritize protein. Aim for 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. Number 3 would be to include a variety of meats. The red meat is the most nutrient dense, like beef, bison, or lamb. Don't fear fat. Fat is essential on this diet, but be mindful where it comes in. It's got to be from things like tallow or butter. If loss is your goal. Consider meal timing. Some find success with intermittent fasting combined with animal-based eating. If you are not on keto, you can use less fasting and eat about 2 to 3 hours to prevent hunger. Plan for convenience prep meals in advance to avoid temptations. And make sure you have bananas, grapes, or raisins available for snacks. So here's a sample day of eating for weight loss on an animal-based diet. Breakfast, you get, for example, 3 eggs of bacon or 2 slices of beef bacon. For lunch you can have 1 hot dog that's nitrate and chemical free. They do make those, but they are hard to find. 8 ounces of ribeye steak, 2 ounces of liver for nutrient density. A stack if needed. You can have beef jerky as well. Alright, this plan includes ample protein and nutrients while keeping calories in check for weight loss. So here's my tips for success would be: stay hydrated, drink plenty of water, and consider adding electrolytes. And listen to your body. Adjust portion sizes based on hunger cues. Be patient. Weight loss isn't always linear. Trust the process. Consider tracking. Use a food diary or an app to monitor if needed. I recommend using the chronometer.com. That app is the best one. Quality does matter. Choose high quality grass-fed meats when possible. You may feel challenges like social situations, so plan ahead and communicate your dietary needs. Cravings, these often subside with time. Stay committed. Nutrient concerns. Consider arguments or supplements if needed. Use high-quality supplements like Heart and Soil or the Health in your store. Alright, remember, the key to successful weight loss is on an animal-based diet is finding a sustainable approach that works for you. Focus on nutrient-dense foods. Listen to your body and be consistent. As always, consider with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more of animal-based diet content. Bless everyone for watching. Be sure to register for my free 90-day detox challenge at BeLikeChrist.net. Thank you.